Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Today, I'm going to take you through a fascinating journey of how I helped automate Washington Federal's network. Buckle up because this is going to be a ride through the world of Python scripting, network tools, and some good old Cisco magic. First things first, the challenge. Washington Federal had a sprawling network that was becoming increasingly cumbersome to manage manually. It was clear that automation was the way forward. But how do you automate a network? Well, let me break it down for you. Step 1, scripting. I used Python, the go-to language for automation, to write scripts tailored for Washington Federal's needs. Python's simplicity and power make it ideal for such tasks. But scripting alone isn't enough. Enter the tools: NetMRI, Postman, and Sundeck. NetMRI was crucial for network configuration and change management. It provided the much-needed visibility into the network state. Postman, on the other hand, was a lifesaver for API testing. It made sure our scripts were communicating effectively with the APIs. And Sundeck? Well, it was the operational backbone, streamlining the deployment process. But what good is an automated network if you can't monitor it, right? That's where Splunk came into play. By integrating our scripts with Splunk, we could generate real-time alerts. This helped in identifying and addressing issues before they escalated. Now let's talk routers. Cisco routers, to be precise. I used TCL scripting for this. Cisco's native language provided the flexibility needed to control and automate the routers. Whether it was configuring interfaces or routing protocols, TCL had it covered. The result? A seamless automation factory that transformed Washington Federal's network management. Tasks that used to take hours could now be done in minutes. It wasn't just about saving time, though. It was about reducing human error and increasing efficiency. So what's the takeaway here? Automation is not just a buzzword. It's a powerful tool that can revolutionize how you manage your network. By using the right scripts, tools, and languages, you can create a robust, efficient, and responsive network environment. And remember, the world of IT is always evolving. Stay curious, keep learning, and never hesitate to embrace new technologies. Because that's how you stay ahead of the curve. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech insights. Until next time, keep automating.